King Crooks here, guys. Today we're doing a bench press instructional video. I'm going to show you all the techniques that we're going to use. So let's get started. So first, you guys, with regards to the weight, you load it up like so. All you need to do is grab one of these clips here, hold them together, and slide it all the way in, so like that, okay? Which leads me to my next thing. If you guys are home alone, or if you were doing a home workout for whatever reason, and the weight is pretty heavy, I would recommend not using these. So if you don't have a spotter, you're able to tip it off. So then, again, it just saves you from getting injured. So with the bench press, it works your pectorals, also your triceps. We're going to engage our core, which Chris has a very strong core, so we're gonna engage our core. And also your secondary as well is your shoulders, okay? So now with regard to doing a bench press, Chris, can you just lean back for me, please? Now, the way Chris is positioned is perfect. His eye level with the bar, okay? And that's a very, very important thing. Now, secondly, Chris's feet should be planted, right? And what he'll be doing, again, he'll be planted so he'll be able to drive up, right? And push the bar over his head and perform the exercise. So we want Chris's core tight. We want him driving up using his feet, and we want his back to be arched, all right? So now with regard to holding the bar, what I need Chris to do is to wrap his thumbs around like so with a firm grip. So you kind of want to be shoulder width apart. Just a slightly bit wider than shoulder width apart. Now with regard to the bench press, you don't want your elbows all the way up, because if you have your elbows all the way up while you're performing the exercise, you mess up your shoulders. And that's the last thing you want, and Chris will probably be out for a couple of weeks. So you want your shoulders at like a 75-degree angle like so when he's performing the exercise, right? So Chris, if you could just lift up the bar for me, please. How Chris' position is perfect. Now what he wants to do is just bring that bar slightly to the middle of his chest. And now stop right there, please. Now, what we have here is his elbows at a 90-degree angle, so that's what you want, okay? Now when he comes up, he's gonna squeeze his core, engage his core, big press up, and he's gonna pretend like there's a pen there, and he's gonna squeeze his chest as hard as he can. Now this, guys, is how you perform a very, very good bench press, okay? We advise probably 10 to 12 reps. However, if you're looking for strength, then it's probably 3 to 5 reps. But again, I recommend starting slowly and working your way up. You could also do a closed grip. So now, if you notice, this closed grip will target mainly your triceps and still work your chest. His elbows will be coming in more when he does the closed grip and big squeeze up. Now again, he's still engaging his core and his back is arched. Now guys, this is very important when doing a bench press. Very, very important. Okay, Chris, can you just perform one more rep for me, please? And he's driving up through his feet, like so. This is a perfect way in building muscle or toning. Thank you for joining me today and Chris with our bench press exercise.